she took my cell phone and she recorded me while I was asleep. And then she uploaded it to be my ringtone of my phone. You call me and this is what I hear. That's the rudest woman in the world, isn't it? God almighty, almighty, I tell you. So I woke up, I'm doing this, sleep apnea, right? And I finally, and you wake yourself up. Your body saves your life by waking you up. And I look over, and there's my beautiful wife with her teeth clenched and her fist knuckles are white. And I'm looking at her going, wow, baby, I guess you couldn't sleep either. Okay, yeah.